Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm making my little customer thank you gifts, and so I've made a little pouch with an After Eight mint. We had these still left from Christmas, so I thought, oh, there's enough there to send to my customers. So if you shop with me, then the following month I send you a handmade thank you card and a little handmade gift, and if you've used my host code, I'll also send you some free product as well. So just a little something that I like to do for my customers, because I really do appreciate every single order, no matter how big or how small. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I made it. So to make this pouch, I'm using the free celebration paper, the Golden Honey speciality paper, which has got this lovely gold foiling, and it's sort of wisp white and basic black with it. So let me just show you the rest of the paper. So that's the piece I've cut from. And that's the piece I did a card the other day with this one, using the Parisian Beauty. Is it called Parisian Beauty? Yeah, I think so. So you can see we have a bee thing going on, which oh, I did this so you could see both sides, which matches a stamp set in the mini catalogue, and we've got a bit of a honeycomb thing going on, obviously the honeybees. So I was going to use this sheet. I wanted the gold and the black because that kind of matches the After Eight wrapper, so that was where I was thinking with that. I quite like those two, they're just sort of geometric designs. This of course is the sheet that I'm using, and that's the sheet I've used before, and then is this the final sheet as well. So some of them don't have any bees and some of them have lots, so I'm using a sheet with a bee to make this. There's the sheet I'm using. So as I say, I chose one with sort of gold and black because that goes with the After Eight mint packaging. That was my thoughts. So simple pouch, lots of people have made these, and they're really useful for when you want a little quick little gift. So great for tabletop gifts. So you just fold corner to corner, and then this is 6 by 6 by the way, and then you want to fold that up so that that is parallel to this line. So I've got that lined on my grid mat there. I've got that point going there and sort of matching down with the line there. Give it a crease. Pull this one across and match it up. And then the final thing, you just fold down that top there. And that's your simple pouch. And a little After Eight snuggles in there nicely. Could put more than one in. I'm just putting one in, it's enough. And you can, if you want, just put a little dot of glue just to hold these down. Could use glue dots because these are going to go out in the post, so I want them to not just unfold by the time the person arrives, gets it, and it's like, oh, so you've sent me a sample of paper, Jez, that you've folded. So I want it to still be intact. So then I wanted to decorate it, and I've pre cut the decoration to save a bit of time, and now I can't find the die packets, So I'm using the layering ovals. Great set. We do layering ovals, we do layering squares, and we do layering circles. And I'm using the well-written framelits as well. And I have already cut them out. So I've used the thanks, and I've used these layering ovals to sort of mat the sentiment on the top. So they are going to go like that, and that's just going to go across like that. So something quite simple but lovely. So just put a bit of Tombow on there to layer that. With foil it does take a little bit longer to stop moving about, because obviously he's got a shiny side. And then just notice there's a little bit of the tea left in there. There we go. And then I'm going to get my little lid with my cocktail stick and apply glue to this. To stick it on, and I just think this is a nice little quick little thank you. And that just sticks across. I've cut it so that it overlaps, because if I'd gone one bigger it would I thought it might overlap the pouch, but actually looking at it, it would have probably been all right. So I might pop that up on some dimensionals. Got a little sliver there and a little sliver there. And that's it done. So a really quick project, really quick video for me. There we are. That's my little quick easy pouch. Hope you like that. Shows off. I like to send so they can see, customers can see some of the new products as well. So there you go. Hope you like that. All details will be over on my blog, nigezza.co.uk. There'll be a link coming up there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then you can go and have a look at some more. Okay, bye for now.